What is up, YouTube? Right now, I'm on my way to my buddy Christian's house because he's got a shop. That way, we can start installing the catless downpipe on the GTI. Okay, here we go.
Timey.
So the first thing we gotta do is take this off so we can access the bolts better.
I go. Book. Custom intake.
Custom intake.
Oh yeah. Be done. Right there, girl, you're right, good. I'm sorry, Mike. But it's the set. Cheap.
Get it!
Ah! Hold on, I'll get it.
Oh, Jesus.
That's my blow off valve. Gotta release all the pressure I'm making. Oh my gosh. Get it, girl. Get it. Oh, she's getting it. Fuck. Hold on. It's gonna be so loud.
I know.
And I can't wait.
Dude, it's gonna be awesome. I'm not gonna be the only one with the quiet car.
That's true. Sometimes I wish the Evo was quiet. When I'm sitting in traffic, like, bum, 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 and then people are looking like, I'm sorry.
There's nothing I can do.
Oh, I'm having a good day.
So we're taking off the hanger.
Downpipe support.
Okay, the support.
Yes, this is very important.
Important.
I got shit on my eye again.
Again?
Oh yeah.
Wait, we should probably unclamp that.
What?
That clamp down there?
This? Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Have you tried?
Well, that's how I got the exhaust on.
Yeah. I'm gonna undo this. Support.
Undo the support.
And
The clamp down there.
clamp. And then we gotta take the O2 sensors out. And she's ready to come out. See that? Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can fit under there and unclamp that.
Yeah.
Well, we did it. Shit's gonna be loud, dude. Look at that. cat. That's why it's so quiet, because the cat is like right there by the turbo. So, got this exhaust support right here, and this was kind of bent like that. So we just took a bar and we bent it like that, and voila, GT's done. So close now. Now we just gotta bolt this bitch on, man. Hopefully these line up. Looks like it. Have to go to the store to get some files. Because these holes don't line up.
Are you done?
No?
Oh.
Didn't even start.
You would have been done by now.
Don't do that.
Then she's just taking over your soul. Make it stop.
Okay.
You come up with stupid shit.
I know. Is it ready?
No,
Why not?
25%. There. Okay, I'm gonna have a
Ooh, she's on.
I'm gonna have a little problem. Since this downpipe is a lot fucking bigger. Which way does it? Brittany,
Oh, that is a problem.
is there a 5/8 wrench somewhere in there? Swear to God, stop one. Where is it? Here. Ah! Here, suck it, suck it.
No. Yep. With the exhaust for the downpipe.
Oh shit.
Oh shit!